To make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money by selling digital mood tracker templates on Etsy. So let's get started by showing you some examples of this product on Etsy. Then I'm going to introduce you to a spying tool that is going to help us confirm if this is really a winning product that is worth spending our time on creating or not. And also the spying tool is going to help you in the future to know or to find out other winning products, and also to spy on the shops that are competing with you or the shops that you want to compete with, to see the winning products that they are working on, and also to see the products that are not making them any money whatsoever. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can create products like these ones we are about to see using canva.com. So here, let's go to the search and let's type digital mode tracker templates and click on search and give it a few seconds to load. And it's still loading. Wait for it until you can see in the front line that the products are not ad by Etsy seller. They are simple products here, because the ones that we see now are the ones that are sponsored by their sellers. So let's give it a few seconds to load until we can see the ones that are not sponsored by the sellers. Here, let's wait for it. Let's give it a few seconds until it completes loading. You can scroll down, and here, when it completes loading, you will see the ones that we can see right now. You will see them in the front line. So here, let's just give it a few other seconds to complete loading. Then we will be able, and here it is after it completed loading. You can see these ones are popular right now in the meantime. So let's choose one of these. We can choose this one here, which is a weight loss and fitness tracker Google Sheet, or we can choose this one here, which is a monthly habit tracker printable landscape. Let's choose this one here, for example. Let's give it a few seconds to load. And here, as you can see, it costs around $2. So guys, I'm going to talk a little bit about the differences between digital products and physical products, and I'm going to talk about the reason that made me like or prefer to work on digital products more than the physical ones. So guys, when it comes to physical products, you will have to deal with a lot of problems or a lot of difficulties, starting with getting the product from the manufacturer or getting the product from the seller, then stocking the product, packaging the product, delivering the product, looking for a company that offers fast delivering, taking care of or always paying attention to not run out of stock. Then you will have to always be aware of returns and refunds that you will have to encounter daily or all the time. But here in digital products, the only thing you will need to worry about is finding a winning product, creating the product, then listing it on your Etsy shop. After that, you won't have to deal with any of the other mentioned problems, because here in digital products there are no returns, no refunds, because you will not deliver a physical product that you can get back, and also there is nothing that can ensure that the client removed the file from their laptop in order to give them a refund. That's why there are no returns and refunds in here. And also, it's always a passive income. You will never run out of stock when it comes to digital products, because it's just a file on your Etsy shop. Whenever someone buys the product, they will get the file and you will get the money. So here, let's take you to the spying tool that I have mentioned in the beginning, which is everbay.io. It's where we are going to see if this is really a winning product or not. So here, let's click on try for free or sign up for free. Here, let's sign up for free. Let's give it a few seconds to load. And here, while it's loading, let's take the name of this shop. We will need it to spy on them. Here, let's wait for it to complete loading. Then we will use the shop analyzer tool. There are a lot of tools in this spying tool, but I will leave them to you to figure out. So here, let's choose the shop analyzer. So let's type the name of the shop here, which is My Life Plans, and click on search shop. This is not the ones I wanted to search for. I'm going to remove that and click on search shop. And here you will be able to see all of the products that this shop listed on their shop, and also you will see the amount of products that they have listed. Still nothing. We need to click on search. I don't know why. My Life Plans, this is the one I'm looking for. It's still not showing up. I don't know why, but we are going to figure it out. Let's wait for it to load again to see, or it's just reload. Here, let's wait for it to load. So here we have them here. As you can see, this is the shop we want to spy on, and they have a total of 8,153 listings, which mean or products, as you can see. And here you will see all of their products. This is the one we want to look for, or not, or it's this one here. But first, let's see the amount of sales they have made over 14 months, which is the shop's age. So they have made more than 100,000 sales over 14 months, which is a lot of money. If you can just multiply that by $3 or $5, you'll see that they are making over $500,000. They have made over $500,000 in 14 months. And here, let's see this product here to verify if it's really a winning product that deserves to spend time on creating or not. So here, this product was listed 28 months ago, and it's making them 28 sales per month. And here, it has made them more than 800 sales over 28 months. So this is a product worth spending your time on creating. So let's go to canva.com, which is where we are going to create a product like this one by just using a template that has already been created, and we will just make some changes to it, and you'll have your own product ready to be sold. So here, let's type the name of the product, which is digital mode tracker templates, and you will be able to see a lot of templates. You'll just have to take the template, make some changes to it, add your personal touch, and you'll have your own product ready to sell on Etsy. As you can see, these are the examples. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.